Got some cool stuff here. A little filler panel for the S10. Pickup truck, we've got the rocker panel trim for TA. What's nice is that they're asking, what are they asking, $100 a pair? I mean, come on folks, this is good stuff. That's for a Ram 09 through 12, asking 55, 69. Pontiac looks like the Pontiac bumper, yeah, from the big Pontiac. Very straight, very nice, asking 135. That TA fender, $50 folks. A nice TA fender, that's a 97 TA. This one's again the big Pontiacs, the 71 through 72, full-size Pontiac for $250. Nice solid fender. 88 Cadillac, $65. Check out the size difference. That is so freaky. That's how far down they went. We got a quarter from a 71 through 72 full-size Pontiac right-hand quarter for a four-door hardtop, asking $250. Lots of good stuff here. Lots of good. Look at those clusters. Beautiful. Oh, those grills are fantastic. Look like caddies on through. There's Pontiac. Great stuff, folks. You gotta get down here. You really do. Let's see what other cool stuff we can find. This is amazing. Some really amazing Ultimate 12 LPW rear diff. This thing looks brand new, absolutely brand new, for a 68 to 72 Chevelle. Actually, it's all A bodies, which would make sense, of course. This is from axle to axle with the drums, the whole bit, asking $2,000. Strange axles on it. I'm gonna get out of the sun. There we go. Strange axles. What a great setup. 66 A-body seats, $700 the pair. That's nice. What is that? C1469. Oh, I see. Dated C1469 with the hearse, asking $800. That's a great buy. $125 on the bell. $30 on the shocks. And they don't have a price on those TA tips over there. Unfortunately so. I'd like to have... Oh, 75. There we go. 3 pieces. $75 for the whole rear spoiler. 69 goat. $250 or $400 a pair. Hey, those are solid too. Even the mounts are good, which is really surprising. 69 goat front bumper, $300, rear bumper $50, and front valence $90. Look at that Endura bumper. Beautiful. 7381 Camaro Firebird Firewall, AC $250. All the bits you need, instrument gauges. And of course, 67 through 69 Camaro. That is nice. That's the oh come on, pace car colors, $350. You get this assortment for a few reasons. You'll see why. NOST 28 Roadster and pickup, $100 a pair. 26 or 27 coupe. Doesn't have the pricing on it. Love the bumper set. Does not have a price. 56 International. Does not have a price. Now normally I would not do this, but because this stuff is just so unusual. 67 through 71 T-Bird, rear fender, Tornado, front fender. Beautiful. I had to get this. Lewis International. Mac, I'm sorry, Mac. Is that beautiful? I love it. Stuff like this just makes it so cool to find. And of course, check that out. That looks like a repo, but oh gosh, that is done so nicely. So nicely. Very pretty, very pretty. I don't know if it's for sale or not, but it's here. Very, very nice. Let's continue on. I'm going to pull back a bit. There we go.